डिजिटल लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट यानी जीवन प्रमाण पत्र। क्या होता है जीवन प्रमाण पत्र? जीवन प्रमाण डिजिटल लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट पेंशन धारकों के लिए एक बायोमेट्रिक इनेबल्ड आधार बेस्ड डिजिटल जीवन प्रमाण पत्र है। जीवन प्रमाण यानी लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट अपने आधार नंबर और बायोमेट्रिक का उपयोग करके व्यक्तिगत पेंशन धारकों के लिए उत्पन्न होता है। Every year, pensioners are required to provide a life certificate or जीवन प्रमाण पत्र to their bank in November month to ensure continuity of their pension. Earlier, pensioners had to submit it physically. However, this can now be done online. हर साल पेंशन धारकों को अपनी पेंशन चालू रखने के लिए नवंबर महीने में अपने बैंक को जीवन प्रमाण पत्र प्रदान करना आवश्यक है। पहले पेंशन धारकों को फिजिकली खुद बैंक में जाकर लाइन में खड़े होकर जीवन प्रमाण पत्र जमा करना पड़ता था, लेकिन अब यह ऑनलाइन घर बैठे किया जा सकता है। What are the document and information required to generate life certificate? Pensioner has to provide their Aadhaar number, full name, mobile number for OTP, email ID to get Jeevan Praman ID, self-declared pension-related information like PPO number, pension account number, bank account number, name of the pension sanctioning authority, pension disbursing authority, fingerprint device with RD services, computer, laptop or mobile with internet connection. The pensioner has to also provide his/her biometric, either iris or fingerprint. Incorrect information may leads to rejection of digital life certificate by authority. अगर कोई गलत इंफॉर्मेशन देता है तो ये जीवन प्रमाण पत्र रिजेक्ट भी हो सकता है। What is the procedure to generating a जीवन प्रमाण पत्र from home, CSE or office of PDA? You can visit to website jeevanpraman.gov.in and download Jeevan Praman software and RD services. Connect the fingerprint device to mobile or PC laptop. Open Jeevan Praman software. Pensioner has to provide the required information like Aadhaar number, your mobile number, email ID, etc. to the operator. Operator enters this information into system, that is Jeevan Praman application. Then OTP will received on given mobile number. Provide the OTP number and enter. Provide the information like type of pension, pension sanctioning authority, disbursing authority, agencies like banks, bank name, PPO number, pension account number written on the pension passbook, bank account number in which they are receiving their pension. Pensioner has to provide the information if remarried or re-employed. The digital life certificate facility is not available to remarried or re-employed pensioner. They are required to submit the life certificate the conventional way to their pension disbursing authority. The pensioner has to then provide his/her biometrics by placing his/her fingers on fingerprint scanner or eyes on the front of iris scanner. On successful Aadhaar-based biometric authentication, Jeevan Praman is generated with the unique ID is called as Praman ID. An acknowledge message with the Praman ID is sent as SMS to the mobile number provided by the pensioner. Jeevan Praman DLC thus generated is subject to approval of the pension sanctioning disbursing authority as provided by pensioner. After successful approval of authority, you can download Jeevan Praman Patra from website jeevanpraman.gov.in by providing the given Praman ID and OTP which received on your given mobile number. From where can I obtain a Jeevan Praman, that is digital life certificate? जीवन प्रमाण पत्र कहाँ से बनाया जा सकता है? You can obtain जीवन प्रमाण पत्र from various citizen service center located across India, office of pension disbursing agencies PDA such as post office, bank, etc. और सबसे आसान तरीका अब यह ऑनलाइन अपने घर पर बैठकर बनाया जा सकता है. It can be also generated from home, any location on the Windows PC's laptop or Android mobile. वैलिडिटी ऑफ जीवन प्रमाण पत्र. साधारण जीवन प्रमाण की वैलिडिटी 1 साल होती है. 1 साल के बाद फिर से जीवन प्रमाण पत्र बनाना पड़ता है. अगर आपके पास आइरिस स्कैनर फिंगरप्रिंट डिवाइस नहीं है तो आप नियरेस्ट सिटीजन सर्विस सेंटर, बैंक, पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाकर जीवन प्रमाण पत्र बना सकते हैं. हाउ कैन आई फाइंड सिटीजन सर्विस सेंटर? यू कैन सर्च नियरेस्ट CSC by clicking locate a center on website jeevanpraman.gov.in portal, or alternately you can send SMS to 7738 299 899. The SMS body must start with keyword JPL and after that space and pin code.